right, hey, Daytona Bike Week, kicking things off here at the new Smyrna Speedway with Sons of Speed practice yesterday. Everybody getting their feet underneath them. But for us, this is a little undercover Daytona tune-up. What a better place to do some performance to a motorcycle than at the racetrack.
That's right.
I'm with my boy Dan from Toce Performance, and we're gonna kind of undercover juice up the Indian. You guys know Dan is like infamous for his performance exhaust work across the sport bike industry. The stuff that he's done with the Pan American, him and Steve Broyles, Pan American, Sportster S, killing it. Now they're moving into the Indian market, and we're here in the neighborhood of a 12% gain.
Yes.
From this pipe.
Pipe alone.
Dude.
And we're going to prove it on the track.
So,
on a closed course for safety.
Professional riders, closed course. We're going to go to work right here in the Toce pit. How lucky are we to be able to do this stuff? We're going to put this pipe on, take it out on the track, and I'm going to tell you what it's like and where you can go get this pipe from this man right here. Right there.
Yeah. It's you versus the guy she tells you not to worry about. If it don't fit, make it fit.
Keep it up, I'll have you
For better hallway vision.
Oh, good. All right, so on the side of the track, they're waiting to get called out. Both these Indians are outfitted with Toce Performance exhaust. Mine is straight, no tune, and his has a tune on it, right?
Correct.
We're gonna get them out and check them out a little bit, see the difference. This is an exhibition round only, closed course, professional riders.
We're gonna watch Chris lose. Horribly.
This is not a race.
It's everything's a race. You ain't first or last, Ricky Bobby.
That's it. right, so we just got off the track. Man, I have to tell you, like, instantly, this pipe turns this motorcycle into a hot rod. Like, it was fast and everything before anybody that watched my test ride article knows that it was awesome, but all of a sudden the pipe turned it into a hot rod. You know, when you come into the corners and dump that throttle, man, it started barking.
You not only hear it, you feel it. It's got a lot more torque down low, and then it screams up high. It's just all around a good package.
The continuation of our molestation of the Indian Sport Team, coming up with more from Daytona Bike Week 2024. This is Chris with Greasy Gears TV.